Would you believe it if I told you that by investing just a fraction of the effort many students exert while glued to their desks all day, you could outperform 99% of? If your study habits lack structure, allowing you to study haphazardly whenever and wherever the mood strikes, chances are your approach needs. This equates to 20 pages per day. You may question why complete the task in 50 days instead of 100. The answer lies in recognizing your potential to. Remember, the more effort you invest, the greater the rewards. Ask yourself, do you desire success more? During one such period, Gates penned the Internet tidal wave memo, redirecting Microsoft's focus towards Netscape Communications, a decision that would significantly enhance the company's value. But why would a tech luminary deliberately disconnect from the Internet? Gates astutely recognized that despite technological advancements, our brains remain wired similarly to those of our ancestors. He understood that to maximize productivity, the brain must function at peak efficiency, free from distractions. In a world brimming with diversions where the fear of missing out pervades our thoughts, adopting a focused approach and immersing yourself completely in your task sets you apart. However, attempting to concentrate amidst constant distractions proves futile. Instead, seek out a tranquil environment conducive to concentration. Experts in various fields don't rely solely on willpower to resist distractions. They preemptively eliminate them to conserve mental energy for the task at hand. By doing so, they optimize their focus and productivity. Key takeaways include establishing a study space devoid of distractions, removing any potential distractions from sight, and dedicating uninterrupted focus to problem-solving tasks. Failure to adhere to this strategy will hinder your quest for perfect marks. Allow me to share a story about my academically inclined friend Albert. Despite his best efforts, his grades stagnated at a mere 5%. He dedicated 6 hours daily to studying, so what was the missing ingredient? He wasn't deficient, he's now a proficient programmer. In a recent conversation, Albert attributed his transformation to his flawed study system. He had been consumed by a video game addiction, which compromised his memory retention and led to superficial studying. Consequently, during exams, he struggled to recall even the most basic formulas. Each of us possesses an untapped reservoir of memory potential, yet modern technology has stunted its development. The omnipresence of digital devices has rendered us reliant on external sources of information, while social media addiction inundates us with excess information, further undermining our memory. Cultivating a robust memory is integral to achieving perfect scores in exams. The initial step involves reducing social media usage to allow your mind some breathing room. Additionally, acknowledge that your memory has undergone prolonged neglect and requires time to recuperate. Subsequently, engage in memory training exercises such as studying in a quiet environment and periodically summarizing the material read. However, avoid overeating as it may induce drowsiness. By employing these tools judiciously, you can enhance your efficiency and productivity. Studying diligently all day is commendable, but what about those moments when you lack the motivation to continue? When the mere thought of studying feels overwhelming? Some resort to watching motivational videos on YouTube, while others soldier on, only to find themselves daydreaming moments later. Concentrating on cognitively demanding tasks like studying becomes arduous when motivation wanes. Here's a step-by-step guide to maintaining your commitment to studying, regardless of external circumstances. Begin by reflecting on your underlying motivation for studying, ascribing meaning to your efforts. Obsess over your goals, as obsession eclipses fleeting motivation and enables you to persevere even in the absence of immediate gratification. Have you ever experienced the urge to abandon your studies when confronted with a challenging problem? This inclination stems from feeling overwhelmed and seeking immediate gratification. Instead of succumbing to this impulse, confront it head-on. Studies have shown that individuals learn more from failure than success, as failure prompts heightened brain activity. With perseverance, you can refine your problem-solving skills to a level of fluidity beyond limitation. Stay tuned until the end of this video, where I'll provide you with a complimentary course on enhancing your brain power and cultivating a resilient mindset. To amplify your performance, consider utilizing earplugs and earmuffs to minimize environmental distractions. Additionally, track your study time using a timer to gauge your effort accurately. Lastly, pay attention to your dietary intake, ensuring you consume sufficient calories to sustain prolonged periods of intense studying. Remind yourself continually that this endeavor isn't about feeling good in the moment, but rather about achieving full marks irrespective of your emotional state. Next, imbue your study routine with elements of attractiveness, framing it as an opportunity for personal growth rather than a burdensome chore. Reward yourself upon completing tasks, as positive reinforcement fosters repeated behavior. Visualize your progress using tools like habit trackers to maintain momentum. By employing these strategies, you can cultivate a steadfast commitment to studying, rain or shine.